Hey students, let's solve one previous question of data structure. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1 question number 16. Which of the following statements is or are true for any binary search tree having n distinct integers, and 4 options are given. Let's check one by one options. Option A, the maximum length of a path from the root node to any other node is n minus 1. Yes, this is true. Suppose we have the sequence in increasing order or decreasing order, then we'll get a skew tree. For example, suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll start binary search tree from 1. First 1, its right child will be 2, 3, 4, 5. Now height from 1 to 5 is 4, right? So it is n minus 1. Option A is true. If we have a skew tree, then maximum length of a path from root node to last node is n minus 1. And that will happen in case of increasing order and decreasing order list. Next, option B, an inorder traversal will always produce a sorted sequence of elements. Yes, this is true. In case of BST, inorder traversal produces sorted sequence of element. As left child is less than parent, right child is greater than parent, and in inorder first left, root, right. That's why it will produce a sorted sequence. Next, option C, finding an element take order of log n time in worst case. No, in worst case it will take order of n, not order of log n. Order of log n, if it is a height balance tree, in worst case it may be a skew tree like option A. Hence option C is false. In worst case it may take order of n time. Option D, every BST is also min-heap. This is false. In case of BST, left child is less than parent, right child is greater than parent. Whereas in case of min-heap, parent value is less than its child. So option D is false. Every BST is not min-heap. Min-heap is different, binary search tree is different. In case of min-heap, root value is minimum and root value is less than its child. Whereas in case of binary search tree, left child is less than parent, right child is greater than parent. We found option A is true, option B is true, whereas option C and option D are false. That's answer will be option A and option B. I already discussed binary search tree, just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.